So today we're looking at the Beelo range from Ovia, a modular bollard system that's flexibility and practicality have been put in mind for the installer. One of the standout features of the Beelo range by Ovia is the modular design of the heads. We offer a cone, a dome, a flat and a louvered head, all available in either black or anthracite grey to fit any project. The heads and the bases actually come separately as well, making installation easier. And if we ever want to change one of them heads, that becomes easier as well without having to buy an entire bollard fitting. So the Beelo range is also power switchable. We can have 3 different wattage settings that we can set it to using the switch on the base of the head, and that is 14 watts, 19 watts and 24 watts. We also have multi-CCT as part of the Beelo range as well, where we can switch between 3000K, 4000K and 6000K, again using the switches located on the head itself. One of the optional extras we have is a 180-degree light shield, meaning that we can install this on the head and actually gives us greater control over the beam direction and where we want to maybe push that light towards. So this range is for external use and it offers an IP rating of IP65. We also have an optional extra, which is an impact absorbing base, meaning when the bollard is struck by something, it will actually flex and then return to position, maintaining the life of this fitting for a longer period of time. So there's also an emergency version available in the Beelo range, meaning it can be used for any of them external emergency lighting projects you may have. So overall, this makes the Beelo very versatile. Also, it's very flexible, durable, easy to install for contractors, and also easily adaptable with the modular heads, meaning if a client changes their mind, they can easily replace it.